Hi there everyone, once again this is Digital Life Changer. In this video, we are going to unbox a new budget smartphone just released this year with an 8GB RAM and a quad main camera of 108 megapixels, the Huawei Nova 9 SE. By the way, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified to our next unboxing videos. Shout out to the following from our last unboxing video.
In a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
As you might have noticed, there is no earphones inside the box, so the store gave us a free H100 Rapu headset instead. And not to mention, a prepaid SIM which is normally free upon buying a smartphone. Since this episode is for unboxing only, we'll cover our personal experience with the phone in a different episode. So again, please do not forget to hit the like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified to our next exciting videos.